meteorologist Pete Mangione with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, in addition to some of the isolated showers and thunderstorms today, it was quite warm and muggy. Check out the high temperatures so far today. 84 in Providence, 82 in Smithfield, 83 in Newport. Do not get used to these high temperatures. It gets much, much cooler tomorrow, but we also lose the humidity, so a little more pleasant if you don't like the humidity. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 shows a trail of showers right now, kind of collecting along the Rhode Island-Connecticut border. In fact, you can see this a little more clearly. This downpour here in the Foster area continues to drift to the south. It's very isolated, but again, it could come down hard very briefly if you're in the path of that downpour, and things are looking dark here at Easton's Beach in Newport, and we will be under at least the threat of a few more showers and downpours for the next couple hours, and then things really clear out tonight. In North Kingstown, a decent view here with visibility in good shape. Some darker clouds over the hurricane barrier right now in Providence. The dew point is still at 66 degrees, temperature 78, so it's still fairly soupy out there, but we're going to push out the soupy air over the next few hours, especially after 9, 10, 11 o'clock this evening. 76 right now, your temperature in Smithfield, 73 westerly, and 68, a bit cooler on Block Island. Winds right now coming in out of the east. They will eventually shift around from the north once we clear out a couple of fronts. In fact, a cold front lurking just offshore, but sort of stalling. We also have a few boundaries lurking in behind it. So as soon as we shove all of that out of the way, we pull in that much cleaner air mass, which will have much lower dew points. Dew points right now, as I mentioned, still in the mid-60s, but we have some dew points in the 50s and 40s. That is very pleasant. That starts to be dragged in tonight into tomorrow morning, and it'll stick around here for a few days. Tonight's forecast, temperatures mid-50s, dropping humidity. We'll especially notice that after 9, 10 o'clock, and then along the south coast, it takes a little longer than that, but you'll start to feel the difference a little bit over the next several hours. And then tomorrow, much cooler, mostly sunny skies, a few high, thin clouds at times, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. It will be breezy. Breezes out of the northeast at around 10 to 15 miles an hour with a few gusts of around 20. And on average, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Even the south coast able to sneak in the low to mid 60s for tomorrow. So it's not a perfect beach day if you like the really warm weather, but at least we don't have any rain to contend with. A moderate risk of rip currents with our air temperatures in the low to mid 60s. And on the water, waves around 2 feet in Narragansett Bay with those winds coming in out of the east at around 10 to 15 knots. So when we look at our 7-day futurecast, it doesn't look great on Monday. I'll tell you, 57. We'll have rain, and we may be setting a record we don't want to set. Now, I don't have us breaking this record, but the record lowest high temperature, if that makes sense, was 55 degrees on this date. That was set in 2012. Hopefully, we don't break that one. And then we get a little warmer on Tuesday, chance of some drizzle. By Wednesday, the showers return. Highs only around 60 degrees. There are signs of some improvement by the end of the week, but unfortunately, still leaving in at least the chance of some showers Friday into Saturday. So kind of up and down with our temperatures, with more down temperatures than up.
All right, we'll enjoy this weekend then. Thanks, Pete. Coming up in sports and Eyewitness News at 6.